Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're on this channel for the very first time, welcome. Where have you been? I'm happy to have you on this channel. But if this is not your first time on this channel, thank you for always coming back. Thank you guys. You guys keep me in business. Okay, so today guys, I'm making a video for you. If you like to make cakes, like just for fun, you enjoy making cakes, it's kind of like a hobby to you, and you're thinking into like you're thinking like to turn it into like a money making venture, yeah, this video is for you. So today I'm making a video for you on 5 things you should know before starting your cake business. So most people start their cake businesses from home, like a home bakery, and then they provide services to like their like immediate community, their friends, and translate from making cakes for friends and family to like making it for the general public, like around you and everything. So these are basically 5 things I wish I knew before starting my cake business. So here we go. Okay guys, number 1, you do not need a perfect keychain. Yes, you can start from where you are, like start with whatever it is you have. Like you guys already know, like when I started my cake journey, I was a student. I was in 2nd year in medical school, so I started from the hostel. So you can imagine how unequipped a hostel kitchen is basically. So make sure you start with what you have. You don't have to have like a perfect kitchen or anything. So start with what you have and make sure you have like the basic things you need. So number 2, you are self-employed now. The moment you translate from selling cakes to like making cakes just for fun, for your friends and for your family, just like a hobby, to selling it to people, yes, now you are self-employed. You might have a main job and this might be your side hustle, but you are self-employed. So you need to treat it like a business. It is no longer a hobby. It is no longer something you just do for fun because you enjoy it. So you need to think about the business part of it. Okay, so number 3, which is very important, and this was something I had problems with when I first started out as as a new baker in the hostel. You need to think about how much to charge for your cakes. So when you're thinking, like I said initially, like you need to think about it like a business. So when you're thinking about a business, you're thinking about how to sustain that business. And most times, like 9 out of 10 businesses do not survive the first year because like a lot of things are against you. Actually, like it's like you're moving against the tide. So you need to know how much you're charging for your product. So you need to cost it properly and make sure you're charging properly. And I have a video on how to do that, and I'm going to insert it right up here if I have already posted it on this channel. Okay, so once you have decided how much to charge for your product, the next thing you want to think about the fact that you need to charge enough. It's a different thing to consider how much you want to charge, yeah? It's another thing to know if you are charging enough. Some people intentionally do not charge enough because they feel like they are just starting out, so they want to get as many customers as much as possible. Yeah, that is like a strategy you can use for the first couple of months, just for you to like get as many customers as possible for just like the cheap price will attract them. Yeah, that is a strategy, but it shouldn't be like a long-term thing. You need to charge enough for your services. Okay, so number 5, which is my favorite part, is the cake lifestyle. Like if you like to make cakes and it's kind of like your hobby, like making cakes makes you happy, this is the perfect job for you guys. Like before you know, you're going to leave your main hustle and start to do this full time, because like basically being a cake decorator means like you get to be part of everybody's special day, because every day is somebody's special day. So basically every day is a special day for you if you are on this journey. Okay, so it's been amazing guys, and I love being a cake decorator. Okay, so if you're looking to start a business, I'm rooting for you guys. Like I'm basically blowing my trumpet and rooting and screaming your name in the air, because it is an amazing business you want to get into. The hours are good. You get to set your own hours. The money is good as well if you know how to properly charge. Okay, so if you're thinking of if you need more advice on that, I have a lot of videos for you guys on this channel, especially for beginners, especially if you feel like you have no clue or you don't know how to start, you don't know what to buy, and you're confused on basically on how to start a business. I have several videos for you, and I have a playlist for you that I'm going to like put in the description box below, so you should make sure you check that out. Thank you guys, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram as _cake_me_away, and subscribe to this channel. Please give me a thumbs up for this video. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye.